You just can't get these. This is a Transit Custom Limited 2-litre diesel, automatic, which is such a rare thing. 2021, 21 registration with only 5,000 miles on it. This is a brilliant, brilliant van. And that beautiful metallic grey. And when I say you can't get them, I genuinely mean you just can't get all of these vans. And to have one here in the 6-seater with the automatic gearbox, today with a live price in 33,990, and this is the best part, there's no VAT on it. So it's 33,990 and that's all you pay. I do get a lot of customers who aren't VAT registered, that are start-up business and they just need a van to get the lads around or use it for the kids. This is absolutely perfect. It looks amazing. It's in an incredible condition, still with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, and a 33,990, you will not be disappointed. It's got everything. So start off with a bit of newer model. You've got the Fusion Blue daytime running lights. All the bumpers are colour-coded because you get some of these Transit vans where there's got that plastic look at the bottom. This is all metallic grey. Front rear parking sensors, front fog lights, that big Ford grille. All the mirrors are colour-coded. Obviously, it's such a high vehicle. When you're sat in it, you're sat on top of the world. But like I said, 33,990 with no VAT, this is brilliant. You have got the alloy wheels. They're not wheel trims. They're 16-inch alloy wheels. You've got mud flaps front and rear, which is an extra. But look at this inside. Remember, it's automatic, so if you're going to be driving your lads around or your family around or yourself, you want it to be just nice and easy and comfortable. Because it's done 5,000 miles, it is immaculate. A lot of these vans have done 15, 20, 25,000 miles, and it doesn't take long for a Transit van to get tortured, because when you are moving things about and you're a builder or anything, you can trash them very quickly. But this one, the 5,000 miles, you can see it's been done very carefully. Lots of space, obviously having the 3 seats in the front. You've got heated seats here. You've got touchscreen media system with DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, the mobile apps. It's just got everything that you'd need, plus a bit more. For me, it does what it needs to do. You've got stereo controls, Bluetooth controls all on there as well. 12-volt sockets everywhere. Glove box here, loads of cubby holes at the top just there. There's more USBs and 12-volt socket in the corner there. Electric windows, remote central locking, and again, even the inlays. See all this nice, beautiful piano black and the brushed aluminium and the handles and the surrounding. Because if I'm a working man or if I'm using this, I still want to feel good in it, and that's what this does. It's got your armrest, your glasses cases sort of cubby hold up there, and there's loads of space, and you're sat so high up. It's absolutely amazing. You've got sliding doors on both sides, but then you've got little air. You can open that window up, which is brilliant. Again, absolutely immaculate, like brand new. Fully fitted mats. You've got the grab handles on both sides, so to grab yourself and get yourself in. This is perfect, my kids would love this. You've got a little piece of glass there so you can see through into there, and that's obviously a hard back. It is immense. If you're in the market and you're looking for a van, this is it. Absolutely amazing. Have a look at this, another extra. So, can you look up there, Tom? So you've got this roof rack here, but because of the way it's designed, there's a little pulley here. You pull this and you flip it up. Now you can put your ladders on there, whatever windows, planks of wood, whatever your line of business is, you can utilise it, and when you're not using it, it goes down, so it goes under small bridges, goes under car parks. Fully use the van to its full capacity. All colour-coded around the back, the side. This one's then got the reversing camera, and it's got the tow bar. Now they're not cheap as well. That's fully fixed, heavy-duty tow bar. Your 2 doors, as you open them in, they're lock-in, so it's safe and secure. If it's a bit windy, it's not just going to slam behind you. And is that not just brand new? All plywooded out. Loads of space. It's perfect. Now, like I say, it might not be a builder, you might just have buggy, bikes, whatever you want to use it for, use it. But it's available. It's still got the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. There's no VAT on it. It's just absolutely spectacular. Obviously, no dents, no scratches. 2 keys, electric windows, mirrors with electric folding mirrors. You've got automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. And just the way it sounds good because it's a newer engine, so it's a lot quieter. The TDCIs, the turbo diesel common rail injections, they're a cracking engine. You've got different drive modes down here. If you look, can you see that in there? parking sensors on and off. You've then got the heated front windscreen, so if you are going to use the car for the winter, normally it'll be ice, snow, it'll be all misted up. You press that button there, and then 60 seconds later, that's all gone as well. I absolutely love it, and you are genuinely sat so high up. No wonder people love these. I know guys that have very flash cars like Range Rover, SVRs and that, but they've also got a couple of vans about them, and they'll drive the van about because they are brilliant. You can use it for anything. I could do one right now. Just arrived, 3390, no VAT, 5,000 miles, 21 registration. Remember, this is a Transit Custom Limited, 2-litre diesel with 170 brake horsepower. 6-seater with loads of extras. My name's Joe, my name and number is on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp, and I'll do what I can to help you. Thanks for watching, bye bye now.